Ready to take your Excel skills to the next level? Our Advanced Excel course helps you work smarter, solve complex problems, and unlock powerful tools that save time and deliver deeper insights. We'll start by building more intelligent spreadsheets with Excel's advanced formulas. Learn how to use if statements to add logic to your data, apply VLOOKUP to pull information from lookup tables, and harness index to create flexible, dynamic lookups. Next, we'll clean and reformat data with advanced text functions. Use proper to instantly fix messy names, text to present numbers in a professional way, and write to pull out useful details from codes and IDs. These tools make tidying and presenting data quick and reliable. Finally, discover one of Excel's most powerful features, pivot tables. Learn how to summarize and restructure large datasets with ease. Add slicers to make reports interactive, and build calculated fields to uncover deeper insights, all without changing your source data. By the end of this advanced Excel course, you'll feel confident using powerful tools to analyze, clean, and present data efficiently.